at our Technology Days event. This is going to be something that we do every year, and it's a great opportunity to come out and see what we can offer.
What we were able to do during this time is bring customers into a controlled site and let them operate live machines and actually get their hands on the technology and kind of see and feel how that looks and operates. Really hope for our customers is that this opens their eyes to how they could integrate technology into their business to get all the benefits.
It's really cool. It's a lot nicer to be able to put your hands on everything and just drive it and operate it and kind of get the feel of it is a lot nicer.
I really like it. Got a bunch of different machines. Everybody's super knowledgeable. They've got guys for everything. Just all around good time.
We just really enjoy getting to be around the new stuff, getting to see what's different. There's a lot of knowledge about the different equipment, a lot of people that know a lot about what they're doing out here.
Today we were just trying to see what is the latest technology on the equipment that's out now.
I see a different variety of things that could possibly work for us. I really love the things that I see so far.
I've never been here before. It's great being able to run the equipment. I mean, I never would have went to the dealership and said, hey, let me run this on this gravel parking lot. It was nice to get to push a little bit of dirt with it.
It's a lot of fun. It's very informative. It's good. Yeah. Glad we came, yeah.
This event, I think it really is a great representation of what Kirby-Smith stands for. Just people working together and creating relationships, finding new solutions. Really would just like people to come out and be a part of that.
Ultimately, I want customers to come out and interact with the Kirby-Smith personnel. We want to partner with them in their business and bring value to them and their business and help in their success.
I think these customer events are fantastic. They give us an opportunity, again, to interact with customers, to see some of the day-to-day challenges that they have and assist in providing solutions. So the takeaway for customers that come into these sorts of events would be an opportunity for a couple of different things. Number one, seeing the equipment, seeing the wide breadth of product that Kirby-Smith has to offer. It also gives customers the opportunity to visit with our specialists that understand the real-world applications, that can talk through some of the specialty applications, that can talk through the use of the equipment, and again, just help to educate customers on the offerings and the support that we provide here at Kirby-Smith.